It's Juan G. I'm about to do my little cannon flow. So let me take this beat back real quick, alright? Juan G. Frontline, Hard Target, KDVP, 2013. Live from Motel 6. Where's the competition at? I guess they're all gone. Or is it that I'm just a big fish in a small pond? I'm not Drake, but believe me, Holmes, I'm far gone. I risk at your whole career like when a gun's drawn. Read between the lines, I'm bleeding hard in mine. Uncut, bitch. Come and snort a line. I'm popping off like a cork from a bottle of wine. Your girl don't like kids, I bet she swallows mine. I'm from the bottom prime, you see I slaughter rhymes. I'm so nice, make a hater wanna cock a 9. Girls that wanna get to know me, make them stand in line. No cards, no flowers, no dandelions. But if she wants my heart, she can keep it. Underneath it all, Victoria's Secrets. Her boyfriend can't digest how good I eat it and how good I beat it. How can she leave it, keep her hot all year like summer is the season? She calls me president. She pledges her allegiance, and when she irons my clothes, she better keep the creases. She used the toothbrush just to clean my Adidas. That's a down ass chick, that's a down ass bitch. Just how I like them, short, brown, and thick. Knows how to ride, move, and drive stick. She tattooed my name with a heart beside it. I'm at another level, way higher than pilots. I don't have to rap about money and violence. I can speak about hell, homie, cause I went twice and came back with a fire license. So put away the hoses and fire hydrants. Stare death in the eyes, kill me if I blink. Penny for my thoughts, get rich from what I think. Until I go retire and live on an island. See, I'm more than just ill, I'm cancer but times 10. You can put up your life, battling I'm in. I still wear Dickies like it was in fashion. I'm the motherfucking answer whoever is asking. Who's the coldest from the border like weather in Aspen? From the school of hard knocks I aced my classes. I never wore suspenders and never used glasses. Used to crumble up homework and shoot him in trash cans. That was back in 99, still playing with Pac-Man. Fell in love the first time I listened to rap jams. If you're looking for the future, then homie, I'm that man. To the day that I'm deceased in the back of a black van. Yeah, Juan G, Frontline, Hard Target, Real Street, SMI, Eagle Pass, 217, 830. What's up, Decatur? Yeah, I'm out.